Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you what you can make from one leggings. So many things like inner, or you can make bikini as well. So I have these oversized old leggings, but the fabric is still good. So I thought to make something out of it. See the crotch measurement here is 14.5. तो आप देख सकते हो इसका जो क्रॉच मेजरमेंट है वो है 14.5. तो इससे मैं I will make a short out of it. Guys, you don't have to do anything, just hem the leg holes and your shorts will be ready. This is the best summer short they can wear at night. I have the wrist part of the leggings. So first thing, just open this stitch. After I'm done opening the stitch from the both of my leg holes, I'm going to use it to make a bandeau bra or bandeau top. All know the leggings fabric is super stretchy, so you don't need any kind of elastic. तो आपको पता है गाइस, लेगिंग्स की जो फैब्रिक होती है बहुत ही स्ट्रेची होता है, तो इसके लिए हम लेगिंग्स से कोई भी इनर वेयर बनाएं तो हमें एक्स्ट्रा इलास्टिक की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So after making the bandeau guys, we have this part left. This is the third step. So what I'm gonna make with this, I'm gonna make a bikini bottom out of it. So keep watching. Now see what I made from one leggings. First of all, I made a shorts for myself. This can be wear at night, at home. This is real comfortable, so comfy. And I'm really sorry for my bad English. And the next step is, guys, I made this bandeau bra or bandeau top. Now if you just tie a strap in the middle, it will work as a perfect strapless bra. And the next step is, guys, I made a bikini bottom. So this is it. So for more pics, guys, you should definitely follow on my Instagram to check my more inner pics that I post on my YouTube channel. So thank you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.